This Wallace and Tiernan analyzer will not accept my reading, so it's F function. And you change it to yes, enter, and then down to 0. Turn the water supply off. And wait till that stabilizes. Press enter twice to 0 it. Down to residual. Turn your water supply back on. And wait till it stabilizes again. That's it static, so press enter to highlight and then change to the value you want to put in. I'm putting 0.58, and when I press enter, it jumps back to the original. It won't take that reading. So there's 3 ranges here. There's a high, medium and low range, and it's currently on the middle range. So turn the power off, remove these 4 screws, and put a screwdriver just underneath the screws and lever it off. That'll get it loose enough to pull out now. That'll just slide out. There's 4 screws. Somebody's kindly previously removed 3 of them, so take them 4 out, and when you've that done, slide the internal part out from the case. Now inside you have 3 dip switches. It's the bottom one we're going to be changing here. So on the drive, they have the settings. If you just type in dip in there, you'll see the settings for high, medium and low range. So we're looking for the low range, which is the bottom one. So it's actually on, off, off, on, off, off is what we're after. So I'm now moving these dip switches to on, off, off. And then on, off and off. So when they're up, it's in the on position. Just a matter of rebuilding the whole thing again. Slide this back inside. Make sure that metal cover is not upside down. The label on it on the other side will show you which is the right way. Put the 4 screws in. And slide this back into the housing. Tighten up the 4 screws again. Turn your power back on. Doesn't matter what it's reading at the moment. You have to let that settle and then you can do the calibration again. Just give it a bit of time to settle down. So once it's settled, press the F for function. It'll highlight calibration. Press the down and press enter to highlight and change it to yes, and then down. Turn your water supply off again and let it settle. You can see it's going to a minus this time, but it could still be a positive. Hit the enter twice to 0 it once it's stabilized, and down to residual. Turn your water supply back on. You can see the grit swirling around at the bottom of that. Okay, so once that's stabilized, press enter to highlight and then move to up or down to the value you want to input, 0.58, and press enter, and then the left button twice brings it back to the live reading. And now it's took it